So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the audio level and how to boost the audio level of your video. So you can see here the sound is too much low, and this type of sound will not be attractive to the your YouTube video viewers. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the audio level. So for this one, you need Audacity. So you can easily download this software. This is open source software. So first of all, you have to import that video by pressing Ctrl Shift plus I. Then you have to choose that video, and now you can see here the video will be of video audio is going to be imported. For this one, you need a plugin or extension, that is FFmpeg. You can easily download that one. Okay. So now you can see here is the audio level, which is very small and very low. For this one, just you have to select on by pressing Ctrl plus A. Then after that, you have to go in the effect. Then after that, you have to go in the volume and compression. Then you have to click in the amplify, and you can increase the audio level from here. So I'm going to pull the amplification dB, that is 10, and I'm going to click in the apply. Okay, again you can press Ctrl plus R. Again you can press Ctrl plus R as you wish. Okay, then after that you have to press Ctrl Shift plus E. Then you have to click in the export to computer, and you have to give the name. Okay, then after that you have to click in the export. After that you have to import that audio here. For example, I already imported that audio, and I'm going to click here. Okay, so after that you have to mute this timeline, and you can play the audio.
So how to
So now you can share in this way, you can easily increase the audio level of your video. Thank you so much.